Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to watch NFL Redzone on your Apple TV. First you need to of course download the NFL app. Okay, go to the Apple TV App Store, download the official NFL app. And if you want to watch NFL Redzone and other content on the mobile and Apple TV, you can consider subscribing to NFL Plus Premium, okay? And then just go ahead and authenticate with the cable or streaming provider. If you already have a cable or a streaming service that includes NFL Redzone, for example, YouTube TV, Hulu Plus, Live TV, Sling, just log in to the NFL app with your provider's credentials to access that channel. And then once you're logged in, you just want to find and select NFL Red Zone channel within the NFL app. Okay, and you should be able to watch it. And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.